You own a business here in St. George, and my question to you is, why are you not running YouTube or Google ads? Google doesn't charge you unless you get the results you're looking for. So if you're looking to acquire leads or calls or people to fill out your forms, you don't pay unless you get that result. Google is a search engine. Yes, there is entertainment on this platform, but everyone's searching something on these platforms. You're not really searching for things on Facebook or Instagram unless you're kind of already aware of it or already in the market for it or already know about a business in the local area that's providing that kind of service. But if you're running ads on those platforms, you're paying per impression. YouTube and Google, you're paying per result. That means I'm not paying for impressions. So if you're still watching this video, you watch this video 30 seconds or longer, I'm going to pay for that because that's what I'm being charged for. Or if you've clicked on this already, I've paid for you to click on this ad. Now here's another awesome thing about Google and YouTube. I can get very detailed with my targeting. So you are a business owner or you are in the digital marketing space. That's why you're seeing my face right now. I'm in the local area. I live here in St. George, and all I want to do is educate other business owners and other entrepreneurs and marketers that there's other ways of advertising out there that are more cost effective than Instagram and Facebook. If you're interested in learning, or you haven't even started running any Google or YouTube ads, or maybe you haven't even set up your Google My Business, I want to help you out. So like I said, either subscribe to my channel here, I live in the local area here in St. George, or just fill out the form and let's get in contact and let's get to know each other a little bit more. But it's good seeing you here. Good luck in your business, and I'll talk to you later.